Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a popular project management tool. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I've found it to be a really powerful tool for managing projects of all sizes. But I've also heard a lot of people ask if Smartsheet is like Microsoft Teams. So, in this video I'm going to answer that question for you. I'll also take a look at some of the other key differences between Smartsheet and Teams. What is Smartsheet? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It's a very flexible tool that can be used for a variety of different purposes, from project management to marketing to sales. What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a collaboration and communication platform that allows you to chat, meet, call, and share files with your team members. It's a great tool for keeping everyone on the same page and working together effectively. So, is Smartsheet like Teams? The short answer is no, Smartsheet is not like Teams. They are two different tools with different purposes. Smartsheet is a project management tool, while Teams is a collaboration and communication platform. Smartsheet is designed to help you manage your projects and tasks, while Teams is designed to help you collaborate with your team members. Key differences between Smartsheet and Teams. Here are some of the key differences between Smartsheet and Teams. Purpose. Smartsheet is a project management tool, while Teams is a collaboration and communication platform. Features. Smartsheet has a wider range of features than Teams, including Gantt charts, reports, and automation. Pricing. Smartsheet is generally more expensive than Teams. Target audience. Smartsheet is more suitable for larger teams and enterprises, while Teams is more suitable for smaller teams and individuals. When to use Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a great tool to use if you need to manage complex projects with multiple tasks and dependencies. Track the progress of your projects and tasks. Collaborate with team members on projects. Generate reports on your projects. When to use Teams. Teams is a great tool to use if you need to communicate and collaborate with your team members. Hold virtual meetings. Share files and documents with your team members. Keep everyone on the same page. So there you have it. Smartsheet and Teams are two different tools with different purposes. If you're looking for a project management tool, I recommend Smartsheet. If you're looking for a collaboration and communication platform, I recommend Teams. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more videos on all things productivity.